Hi guys, welcome back to our video again. So in this video we want to replace the rotor of our Super Tenere. I guess it hasn't been replaced for many years. The thickness is, as you can see here, the thickness of the disc is a 35 mm, which is below spec. Ourselves a new kit which is Arashi. It's made in China, so here say the quality is not bad, and also it's very affordable and it's half the price of what the European brand are. So we decided to go ahead and buy it and give it a try, and let's see what's inside. So we open this. Okay, so very nice box here, and then you have your foam letter some sort. Okay, and you have your wavy disc. So let's take out the first one. Okay, pretty nice looking one. And then they will state like the minimum should be 4.5 mm. So let us measure what's the thickness of a brand new disc. So the brand new disc is around 5 mm. Okay, the one that we have is 3.5-ish. Okay, just want to match if all the holes are in place. It should be, and the size or the diameter should be the same. Okay, so it also comes with a free shifter guard. Okay, we can replace ours later. Okay, so what we are doing here is to check out the front wheel and then ensure that it has a room to spin around, so we can take out the front wheel. Next we will remove the ABS sensor first. And then next we have to loosen the front axle, which is locked by this 2-axle bolt. Okay, we just need to loosen it. Okay, so now we break open the front axle, and then we just loosen the front axle. And now we should be able to remove the wheel by just fiddling with the brake caliper. Okay, the brake caliper is in the way, so probably we have to remove the brake caliper. So this is a 12 mm bolt. So we remove one of the caliper, and in spec is pretty dirty. Probably we take this opportunity to clean it out a bit later. So we managed to roll out the wheel with just removing one of the caliper. So we can take this opportunity to clean the inner fork, okay, which is hard to reach if you didn't remove anything else. Now with the wheel removed, the simple part is just take the T40 and then to remove all the bolt and place the new rotor in. Okay, so we remove all the bolt on one side, we take out the disc, and then we just repeat on the other side. Okay, since we already removed the wheel, we will wash it clean before we install everything back. After washing the wheel, now we got to put back the bolt, but we will put some Loctite in between before we put it back. So a small drop like this will do, and then we will put it in. And then we will do cross bolting to lock the nut in, and then slowly we will tighten it to spec. No return if the tag is removed, so this is the point of no return. Okay, so now we gotta put the wheel back to the fork and the axle. Okay, we remove another caliper in order for this wheel axle to move in, because now the disc is thicker. So the pad has to be forced open a little later on in order to feed it back in. Okay, so we just make sure that this thing is slot in between. This plate has a groove that is slot between the holder, so this thing won't spin when the wheels turn. And then we can start tightening the axle. Okay, so finally we are all done. And then it's a little bit tight. Probably we got to release some of the pressure from the upper cylinder, and we are bringing it out to the test. So we tested the Arashi rotors in the wet and in the dry and city speed and also in highways. Generally we feel that it's similar to the OEM, and because it's a new rotor and we didn't season the brake pad to the new rotor, so the initial 50 to about 100 kilometers you will feel that it's less grippy as compared. After that you will gain all the grips and confidence back. Because of some of the design difference in terms of the waviness of the disc, when you squeeze really hard on the brake, you can feel more on what's happening on the rotor, or you can say it's more sensitive in that way. Other than that, it's a decent product. It is is more than sufficient for your day-to-day ride and also touring. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.